Hey, what's up guys, it's me Tato, back again with recipes that make you wanna cook. On today's video we are making these delicious bangers. Let's get started guys, and as usual I will leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. To get started, you're gonna go ahead and brown your bangers on both sides until golden brown. You wanna go ahead and use any bangers that you like. You can use beef, chicken, pork, or lamb. I am using lamb. So you're gonna go ahead and let them brown on both sides until golden and all the fat has rendered. Now once the beef has rendered out the fat, you can decide either to discard off the fat or keep it all or discard a little of it. It's absolutely up to you. Then we're going to add our vegetables, which are green bell peppers, yellow and the red, and we're also using some cherry tomatoes. We're going to let that go for another 5 minutes. Once the vegetables get going, you want to go ahead and season with your green onion seasoning. For the herbs, we're using some thyme. And you can use any spice of your choice. As for me, I am using the traditional braai mix spice that I absolutely love. Then you're gonna go ahead and mix that through and let the vegetables cook until to your liking. If you want a little bit of texture, you don't want them to overcook, you want to still see them and taste them, the crunch and all honey. Once you add the vegetables, you can cook them for about 8 to 10 minutes, but if you don't want them crunchy, then you can cook them longer. We're gonna go ahead and add our Worcestershire sauce. Now I did serve these bangers with a beautiful creamy mashed potato recipe that I have already posted, and I will leave it in the description box down below. And then we're gonna add our chili sauce, but do remember guys, you can customize this dish in how you like. Honey, I do like telling people this because I feel like I'm just giving you an inspiration to do something and you customize it to however you like it. I'm also gonna add some tomato sauce and mix those sauces through and cook them until they just thicken and create a beautiful sauce for the bangers and the vegetables. This is a really simple weekday kind of dinner, or for breakfast as well, because it comes together so quickly. It needs a little few ingredients and the bangers don't take a long time to cook. Basically about 8 to 10 minutes they will be done to cook, and depending on how well you want your vegetables, you can see how long you want to cook it. Then to finish off, we're gonna add some crushed garlic and ginger. I like to add it at the end on this dish because it just brings out all the flavors. And once you're done, it looks something like this. As you can see, the rendered fat will make it an absolutely beautiful sauce, but of course if you don't want saucy, you can always discard off the fat. And as always guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a like and comment down below and show me some love, and I will show you back some love, and I will see you on the next one.